Hi, this is Jim Troth with Habitation Investigation. I'm going to go over how to read a mold test on your house. It was either a house that you're buying or perhaps it is your current house and you want to know what's going on. But this is how you read the reports. And I have a report or two pulled up here. Let me bring this forward, make sure you can see it all right. When you get your report in the email, looks like this. What you do, you scroll down, and this house here, just so you know, there's always a control. If you're doing air samples, there's always a control sample on the outside, and then there's a sample of air taken in the area of concern. In this place, it was the basement. And the lab is going to compare what is found in each of those samples to determine if there's an issue in the house. And on this house here, there was a swab, a surface analysis. A swab was taken of a place down in the basement as well. So on this report here, we can see control, and the lab identified this as a problem, and there's growth on the swab. And so right down here, you can see what was in the control, like these three types of molds here, hyphae, penicillium, aspergillus, and stachybotrys. None of those were in the control sample, which was the outside. However, they were in the basement air sample. The stachybotrys was, and then they found some growth down there, but it was not putting out spores. That's why it didn't show up here in the air sample. It's growing, it's just not airborne at the point in time. But the lab identified this as a problem, so that means there's an issue with moisture, because mold is just a symptom of a moisture issue, so it needs to be taken care of. Okay, and then whatever molds are found, the report will tell you all about each type of mold that was found, and there's 100,000 different types of mold, so don't worry about not knowing them. But this will tell you like the hyphae, soil and decaying vegetation, what it would known to be an allergenic, really no issues regarding disease and toxin. But there's all kinds, everything type that was found, there will be some information for that if you want. Now there's another sample here that I want to pull, I want to show you. There was this in here. Oops. Okay, this one here. There's the control. Here's the air analysis. This basement as well, pretty common area. Determined it was normal. So what they found in the basement was not all that much different than what was in the outside sample, so they consider that to be pretty normal air. If you look there, you'll see there were more, some types of molds, there were a lot more molds outside than there were inside. So you never expect to be a mold-free sample. It's very, very rare and not likely to ever occur in an air sample in-house. But here, normal, and once again, even though there's normal, they're still going to show you provide information on each type of mold that was found. Okay. Now, if you do have questions on your report, feel free to give the lab a call. This number is 888-854-0477. You can ask to talk to Dr. Shane. Great guy, very intelligent. Talk to him. He'll help you out. He'll give you he'll help you understand things completely. But when you get a mold sample, this is what you're looking for. You're looking to see if the analysis is normal compared to the control sample. There's always going to be control. And then you have this one here, boom, where you have the control. However, there's a problem because there's certain molds that are not found in the outside air. All right, so there you go. Any questions, give us a call or the lab a call, and take care. Thank you. Bye-bye.